Hey, hello everyone, just from Alaska here. Quick video update on the Bezels. So I recently made a very minor change to the Bezels, and it has to do with the icon. For those of you that have been a part of the channel and seen the videos, you know originally I was burning in the icon with my laser. Unfortunately, I just ended up with so many inconsistent results using it with the different colors. That I've been just wasting a lot of Bezels. The Bezels come out perfect, but when the icon doesn't burn in correct and then it turns into trash, I have to throw that stuff away. So what I've done is I switched over to using my CNC. And wow, what a difference. So much cleaner, consistent every single time. I should have done this sooner. Don't know why I didn't. Anyway, I want to show you that change, but also I wanted to thank all of you that have subscribed. Those of you that have ordered Bezels, thank you so much. I want to apologize to those that are still waiting. If you're seeing this now and you're one of those people, I am still waiting for my material to come in. It's been 6 weeks since I ordered that stuff, or even longer, and closer to 2 months, I think. It still hasn't got here. Last word, it was in Seattle. And then right now, I'm at work for another week and a half. So for those of you who don't know, I work remotely away from home. I'm gone from 2 weeks at work, so I can't get work done when I'm not there, and I try to push out as many as I can when I am home, just so I have them sitting in inventory to get them out, and right now I am just completely out of inventory. Also, I want to thank you folks, because you must be spreading the word and telling folks, just word of mouth, because I haven't been advertising it anywhere else. I've been getting orders, and people have been just asking questions because they haven't seen the videos. And honestly, out of all the videos I've done for the Bezels, I think maybe one I've shown the back of it. So this one, I want to kind of show the icon. I want to cover the backside of the Bezel to show you the difference and the change I made and the ones that I'm putting out compared to the factory. Because like I said, I want to put something out where the little tabs on the back weren't breaking off, and then they wouldn't sit in there anymore. So anyway, let's take a quick look at these, and we'll go over them real quick. All right, here we go. A couple Bezels here. These are just defects. This actually came from when I was trying to color match a tan set. So those of you who don't know, I've got the gray, black, and now the tan. I had a gentleman that wanted to see if he could have a tan pair. I had him send them to me, and I color matched those for him. And this one here on the left is where I was trying to match it. This is one that's finished the right color. Just ended up having a couple defects when I did it. You can probably see that little tiny dot right there, that little air bubble. These are new bolts, so get a couple of these defects every now and then. So this one here on the right, you can see this is the icon from the laser engraving. Not as consistent. The clarity isn't as good. And then this one over here is the one that I CNC'd. So it's, as you can see, much clearer, much sharper, turned out a lot better. So you can see that I didn't have a lot of color in there, so these things could be a little see-through. But that's what the icon looked like. So this one here, let's look at the backside real quick. So basically exactly the same as the stock Bezel. The only difference are these little posts right here. I changed that from the original, so you don't have the tabs, you have a post. So if you pull these things straight out, they shouldn't break on you. And then these are little tabs right here. I laser cut these tabs to slide over your Bezels. When you get them, they come with 10 for each Bezel. Little tiny things. They fit snug really well on there. So basically, all you have to do is put your Bezel in, snap in your window switch right there, same as regular, and then just slide these little tabs right on and push them up tight against the bottom side. So the tabs, actually the hole is much smaller, and they push on a lot tighter and mount right under there. Haven't really got any feedback from anybody how they're doing, how they're holding up. So if you got anything, let me know. I'm just kind of curious how they're working for you so far. The only comments I've had are a couple people who messaged me because one or both of the Bezels when they arrived were broken. And I do package these things up really heavily with bubble wrap when I ship them. So I mean, it's just crazy shipping. As they must just be getting tossed in trucks and vans, and they're putting heavy stuff on them and crushing them, because it takes a lot to really break these things unless they have a lot of weight, or maybe they're getting extremely cold and then something else gets thrown on them, you know, where it turns it into where it's a little fragile and they break. So only had that happen a couple times, but other than that, so far so good. Take another look here at these, exactly what I've done to them. So this is one I've basically cleaned it all up, but I just ended up having a couple of those issues where I didn't like how it turned out. And some of them, I had a batch that I made a master that had from one that had a scratch in the bottom. I've since replaced that, so those of you that receive new ones won't have a scratch in the bottom pocket. I actually negotiated a pair of Bezels I got from somebody that I color matched for to let me keep his, and I'm giving him another set of Bezels in trade, but that way I can put out a better product. So anyway, quick overview there. Hope that works for you. Anyway, we'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching, and stay with the channel. I've got some more content coming soon.